Yes, you may start.
All of you sit in any meditative posture for opening prayer. Sit in Sukhasana or Vajrasana or Padmasana in any comfortable position. Join your hands, close your eyes, chant with me. Om Sangachadvam Samvadadvam Sambho Nana Upasate Om Sehna Sehno Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karva Om Shanti Shanti Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Malam Sharirasya Chavedakena Yopakarottam Pravoram Muninam Patanjalin Pranjalirana Tasmi Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. Then they become little warm. Gently place on your eyes and relax. Now everyone, stand up on your mat. Stand up on your mat. We will start with neck exercises. Inhale, head up. Exhale down. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Center. Now left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Center. Now tilt your neck towards your ear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Center. Now touch your chin to your sternum notch and start rotation from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now center, head back, start other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Center. Place your hands to your shoulder and join your elbows. Start rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. Now do on-spot jogging. Do some on-spot jogging. Start together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. Relax, come back. Now we will do 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Come in front of your mat. Join your hands. Namaskar Mudra. Hastutthanasan. Padhastasan. Right leg bend. Vamashva Sanchalan. Left leg back. Parvatasan. Knees down, chest down. Sashtang Namaskar. Bhujangasan. Parvatasan. Right leg forward. Dakshin Sanchalan. Left leg forward. Padhastasan. Hastutthanasan. And Namaskar. Again. Hastutthanasan. Exhale. Padhastasan. Inhale, right leg back, Vamashva Sanchalan. Exhale, Parvatasan. Inhale, knees down. Exhale, chest down. Sashtang Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasan. Exhale, Parvatasan. Inhale, right leg forward. Dakshinasana Sanchalan. Padhastasan. Hastutthanasan. Namaskar Mudra. Again, Hastutthanasan. Padhastasan. Right leg back. Vamashva Sanchalan. Left leg back. Parvatasan. Knees down, chest down. Sashtang Namaskar. Bhujangasan. Parvatasan. Right leg forward. Dakshinasana Sanchalan. Left leg forward. Padhastasan. Hastutthanasan. Namaskar Mudra. Again. Hastutthanasan. Padhastasan. Vamashva Sanchalan. Parvatasan. Knees down, chest down. Sashtang Namaskar. Bhujangasan. Parvatasan. Dakshinasana Sanchalan. Padhastasan. Hastutthanasan. Namaskar Mudra. Last round. Hastutthanasan. Padhastasan. Vamashva Sanchalan. Parvatasan. Knees down, chest down. Sashrang Namaskar. Bhujangasan. Parvatasan. Dakshin Asvasanchalan. Padhastasan. Hastutthanasan. And Namaskar Mudra. Come back at the center of your mat. Spread your legs. We will do Mukha Dhoti. Inhale. Exhale from mouth. Inhale. Exhale from mouth. Inhale. Exhale from mouth. Come back. Join your feet. Now we will go for some standing asanas. First we will go for Tadasan. Interlock your fingers. Turn it. Raise your both hands. Exhale down. Again inhale. Come on your toes. Stay here with normal breathing for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come down. Release your both hands. Now we will go for Vrikshasana. Place your right feet to the inner thigh of left leg. Your toes should be pointing towards the floor. Inhale. Raise your both hands up. Join your palms. Gaze at any point in your front. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release your hands. Release your leg. Again with left leg. Place your left leg to the inner thigh of right leg. Inhale, raise your both hands. Join your palms. Stay here with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release your hands. Slowly release your leg. Now we will go for Trikonasana. Spread your legs 3 feet apart or more than 3 feet apart. Spread your hands at shoulder level. Right leg to the right side. left leg. First left leg to the left side. Inhale. Exhale. Bend towards left side. Touch your head to the touch your hand to your feet, left hand, and look up to your look up towards your right hand. Stay here with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. Left leg normal. Right leg to the right side. Inhale and exhale. Bend towards right side. Look up. Stay here with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale and come back. Right foot to normal. Your hands. Join your feet. Now we will go for Kati Chakrasana. Spread your legs shoulder width apart. Both hands at shoulder level. Inhale and exhale. Twist towards left side. Stay here with 10 breaths. For 10 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come to the center. Exhale, twist towards right side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, come to the center. Hands down. On your feet. Now we will go for Ardha Chakrasana. Spread your legs again, shoulder width apart. Place your hands to your weights, thumb in front side. Inhale and arch back. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. One more time. Ardha Chakrasana. Inhale and arch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Now we will go for Padhastasana. And join your ankles. Now we will go for Padhastasana. Gitali, I think you are unmute. There are a lot of voice.
नहीं म्यूट है तो
You are unmute. Please mute yourself.
हेलो।
हेलो।
हेलो। हाँ, ठीक है अभी। हेलो।
हेलो गीताली।
हाँ हाँ, ठीक है अभी।
You are still unmute. It's okay, no problem.
ओके, लेकिन हमारी तरफ से तो म्यूट ही दिखाई रही है। मैंने
It's okay, no
नहीं।
problem. Just continue with the session.
ओके। ओके, थैंक यू।
Ready your mind for Padhastasana. Join your feet together. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Try to touch your forehead to your knees. Stay here with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come up. Release your hands. Now everyone sit on your mat. We will go for some sitting asanas. First we will go for Bhadrasana. Join your feet. Hold with your hands. We will go for Bhadrasana. Start flapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stay here. Now again start flapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Stay here. Now release your hands and release your legs. Come in Dandasana. Now prepare your mind for Ardhamatasendra Asana. Hold your left leg and place your ankle as your ankle touch to your right thigh. Fold your right leg as your right foot is beside your left knee. Just place it like this. Spine should be straight. Spine should be straight. Place your right hand at your back and hold the ankle of your left leg by your left hand. Exhale, twist towards right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. Come back. We will do the same process. Other side. Hold your right leg now. First hold your right leg. As your right heel is touching to your left hip, hold your left leg. As your left foot is placing beside your right knee. Spine straight. Left hand at the back. Place your palm to the floor. Raise your right hand and hold the left ankle with your right hand. Exhale and twist towards left side. Spine should be straight. If you can't hold your ankle, it's okay. You can just place it. You can just push your knees outside. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. Release your legs. Now we will go for Gomukhasana. Fold your left leg. Fold your right leg by crossing your left leg. Both knees should be parallel to each other. Spine should be straight. Raise your right hand up. Take it behind your back and लेफ्ट लेग को नीचे से ले जाना है. जो लेग ऊपर है, जो भी नी आपकी ऊपर है, वही हैंड पहले जाएगा ऊपर से. दूसरे हैंड को नीचे की साइड से. एंड ट्राई टू ग्रैस्प योर बोथ हैंड्स by interlocking your fingers. Spine straight. Look forward. Try to interlock your finger behind your back. Stay here with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release your fingers. Release your hands. And come back. Do it other side. First, fold your right leg now, and then fold your left leg by crossing the right leg. Both knees should be parallel to each other. Now raise your left leg first. Bring it behind your back. Fold your right hand also downward. Left hand upward and right hand downward. and grasp your hands by interlocking your fingers. Stretch. Spine should be straight. Stay here with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release your hands. Release your legs. Now, come in Vajrasana. Come in Vajrasana. Fold your right leg. Fold your left leg. Sit in Vajrasana. Spine straight. We will go for Shashankasan. First, we will go for Ushtrasan. Spread your knees, shoulder width apart. Raise your hands at shoulder level. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your right hand back, and then left hand. Hold your ankles like this. You can watch me. Stay here with normal breathing for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. Release your hands. Sit in Vajrasana again. Take 5 deep breaths. Relax in this position. Now we will go for Shashankasana. Raise your both hands up. Inhale and raise your both hands. Palms in front. Exhale and bend down. Try to touch your forehead to the ground. And stay here for 10 deep breaths. This is a very simple asana but have multiple benefits. Very good for back pain. And very good for calming the mind, stress, anxiety. Inhale and come up. Release your hands. Release your legs one by one. Now lie down on your back. Everyone lie down on your back. We will go for Pavan Muktasana. Hold your right leg. Hold your knee. Hold it by your hands. Inhale and exhale. By exhaling, lift your upper body and try to touch your nose to your right knee. Stay here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come down. Raise your leg. Bend your left knee. By exhaling, lift your upper body. Lift your head up. Try to touch your nose to your left knee. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Release your leg. Now fold your both legs together. Hold them by your hands. Inhale, and by exhaling, lift your head up. Touch your nose to your knees. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Release your legs. Rest in Shavasana for 5 deep breaths. Everyone rest in Shavasana for 5 deep breaths. Now prepare your mind for Uttan Padasana. Join your legs together. Palms beside your thighs. Hands beside your thighs. Palms down. Palms towards ground. Inhale, raise your leg up and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come down. One more time. Inhale and raise your legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, inhale and exhale. Raise your upper body up with hands at shoulder level. Shirasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Lift your upper body up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Now Uttan Padasana and Uttan Shirasana together. Inhale and exhale. Lift your leg and upper body together. Stay here with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. One more time. Uttan Shirasana and Uttan Padasana together. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come down. Relax in Shavasana. Inhale and exhale deeply. Now turn yourself and lie down on your abdomen. Prepare your mind for Bhujangasana. Join your legs together. Join your feet together. Place your hands beside your chest. Palms towards ground. Inhale and lift your head up. Come down. One more time. Inhale and lift up. Come back. Release your hands. Now prepare your mind for Shalabhasana. Join your feet and legs together. Place your both hands under your thighs. Palms towards ceiling. Inhale and raise your both legs together. Up. Raise your both legs up. Inhale and lift. Stay here with normal breathing. Stay as long as you can. Come back. One more time. Inhale and lift your leg up. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and 10. Release your hands. Everyone rest in Makarasana. Now we will go for Dhanurasana now. Fold your legs at your knees. Hold your ankles by your hands. Inhale and lift your upper body and lower body together. Lift your chest and thighs up. Stay here with normal breathing. Lift as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. Release your legs one by one. Now take the support of your hand and sit on your mat. Sit in any comfortable position, in any meditative posture. We will go for pranayama segment. Hands in chin mudra. Place your hands on your knees. First, we will go for Kapalabhati. Eyes closed. Go for Kapalabhati, 60 rounds. Active exhalation and passive inhalation. Start together. Exhale completely. Again, go for Kapalabhati, 60 rounds. Now, after completing Kapalabhati, go for Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing, adopt Nasika Mudra, first two finger close, go for Anulom Vilom, start together, go for 5 rounds, inhale from both nostrils, exhale from left, then inhale from left and exhale from right. After completing Anulom Vilom, go for Bhramari, adopt Shanmukhi Mudra, close your ears by your thumb, rest 4 fingers on your face, inhale and by exhale, produce the sound of humming bee. close your eyes. We will go for 3 times Om chanting. Chant together. Oh. Sorry. Just feel the silence in your body and mind. Feel the positivity after the practice. Now, we will conclude our session with closing prayer. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति 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 Rub your palms. When it's little warm, gently place on your eyes. Face and your body. Gently open your eyes. Thank you everyone.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, bye. Bye everyone.